1. What do you do? I work as a manager. 2. What does your company do? My company helps businesses with advertising. 3. How many people work at your company? There are 20 people at my company. 4. What is your job responsibility? I am in charge of sales. 5. What is your company's goal? Our goal is to make more sales. 6. Do you like your job? I love my job. 7. How do you communicate with clients? I talk to clients on the phone and by email. 8. What skills do you need for your job? I need good communication and leadership skills. 9. What is your favorite part of your job? I like working with my team. 10. How do you handle stress at work? I take breaks and prioritize tasks. 11. What is your company culture? Our company values teamwork and honesty. 12. How many hours do you work per day? I work 8 hours a day. 13. What do you discuss in meetings? We discuss projects and goals. 14. How do you stay organized? I use a planner and make to-do lists. 15. What is your biggest challenge? My biggest challenge is meeting deadlines. 16. How do you motivate your team? I give feedback and recognition. 17. What is your company's mission? Our mission is to provide excellent customer service. 18. Do you travel for work? I travel to conferences. 19. How do you manage your time? I prioritize tasks and set goals. 20. What is your favorite business book? I like The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. 21. Do you have a business role model? My role model is Elon Musk. 22. What is your greatest achievement? My greatest achievement is starting my own business. 23. How do you handle failure? I learn from mistakes and move forward. 24. What is your company's vision? Our vision is to be a leading industry player. 25. Do you have a mentor? My mentor is a successful entrepreneur. 26. What skills are needed for business success? You need leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills. 27. What advice would you give entrepreneurs? Work hard, stay focused, and never give up. 28. How do you build relationships with clients? I build trust and rapport with clients. 29. What is your favorite part of the workday? I like the morning when I plan my day. 30. How do you celebrate success? I celebrate with my team and reflect on what we did well.